Hi, bio folks. It's Christy. Hope everyone's doing well. So this video is for folks who have either just entered the class or folks who haven't done much of anything so far. On a good note, if you haven't done, that was my cat. If you haven't done a lot or if you've only done a bit, I would say it's perfectly doable to take care of all of my stuff this week and be passing. I don't think it's a ton. So you're not sorry, she's a little upset. So it's not like you're too far behind. I think you'd be able to catch up in about 4 to 5 hours. Okay, so this right here is the Schoolology page for, it says example student up here, right? Example student, just, it's my like fake student profile, so this is what your profile technically should look like. So if I'm a student, I'm gonna click on bio, and I'm going to click on, well, actually, I'm not going to click on anything just yet. Hold on. Hey, Nikki! Shh! Come here. Come here. Relax. I know. It's a scary world. It's okay. Be good. Want to say hi to the kids? Hi, kids. Hi. Yep. That's right. Calm down. Alright, so like I said, this video is for folks who haven't really done anything yet, right? So I just want to go over a couple things really quick. If you are looking for the learning targets, or if you're looking for my syllabus, you can find that down here, where it says Q4 Docs. You click on that, you can get the sticker sheet, you can get syllabus, whatever you need. The way I'm doing sticker sheets this quarter is if you complete a learning target, I send you your own personal sticker sheet. It will say Russell's sticker sheet, or it'll say Tashina's sticker sheet. And then I put a sticker in there when you complete a target. If you haven't gotten one of those sticker sheets from me yet, you just haven't completed a sticker. So keep on working, keep on doing your thing. So if you haven't done much of anything yet, the first place you're going to go to, guys, is Bio Week 2 Learning Targets 1 and 2. And I just want to make a few things clear here. First of all, down here, this is where the notes are. And this is where the assignment is. Every question I ask for the assignment can be found in the notes. Right? So all you got to do is open this up, read the notes, answer the questions. You should be good to go. Almost everybody didn't do exactly what I asked for this, so I just want to be clear going forward. So if I'm opening my assignment here, the first thing I'm going to do before I even start like looking at questions is copy and paste everything. So copy. Cool. Control-C, copy. Then I'm going to go up here to File, and I'm going to click on New, and I'm going to click on New Document. And then once I'm in my new document, I'm going to paste. And so the reason I do this, guys, or the reason you're going to do this, is because if you don't, everybody is working on the same document. So I've had 3 of you guys so far try to turn in the same thing, and you've all, I don't know if you realize you're working on it together or not, but yeah, that's not how that works. So I've been pretty lenient with the first assignment because I feel like the instructions weren't that clear. So this is now your document. So what you could say is, let's pretend I am Orlando. Orlando's Bio Week 2 assignment. Bam. Right? And now that's yours. And then the last thing you do here is go to share. You put in my email address. And you share that with me. And then it's only you and I. So then that means you make, a change or whatever, and I can comment. Otherwise, everybody can see your work. And then it's not yours. It's like it's everybody's. So we're getting a little confusing there. So please make sure you if there's a template like this, right, and there's a bunch of questions, make sure you copy it, paste it, put it in a new doc, put your name on that doc, okay, and then share it with me. So the first week, like I said, it's pretty straightforward, folks. You're just answering the questions, reading the slides, answering the questions. As soon as you're done, and I can see that you're done, and your everything is right? Maybe I know most of you guys needed to revise it. You got two or three questions wrong, so I said go back and look at these questions. Once it's revised, guys, you can take an online quiz. Okay, so all you got to do for that is we're going to go back up to Schoology. We're going to go back into Learning Targets 1 and 2 right here. Actually, no, underneath it, it says Quiz for Learning Target 1 in capital letters. Click on this, and the link for the quiz, folks, is right here. So you Control-C, copy it, paste it, and it brings you right to my quiz, and you can take that whenever, okay? You do only have one attempt, so that means you and I will have to talk if you don't pass. Also, if it says you failed, you may not have failed. It's being weird with grading, so make sure you talk to me. Like, don't, if it says you failed, make sure I have said you failed, because I know one or two people, it said it failed, but you actually didn't. You did great. So just keep that in mind. That's week 1. Notes, worksheet, quiz. Done. So week 2, let's go to materials. And it's actually not really week 2, it's week 3. I know it's a little confusing. So it says Bio week 3 materials. Right here it's green. Okay, this is for Learning Target 2. It's what we did last week. So click on this. You have video 1, video 2, video 3. The first thing I do, guys, is watch my video 1, follow all the directions, and then you should be given everything you need to do the rest, right? All of my directions, word for word, are in each of these videos. So I'd watch the videos and then follow the directions for the assignment, okay? There is no quiz for Learning Target 2. As soon as you complete, I'm asking you to make a table for the assignment, and as soon as you complete that table and a few other questions for me, you will get your sticker for last week, okay? And that brings us to this week, where we're at right now. So I'm going to go back here. If you want the information for this week, week 4, Learning Target 3, it's an orange folder, okay? So if it helps, sticker 1 is in the purple folder, sticker 2 is in the green folder, sticker 3 is in the orange folder. You open this bad boy up, and then you'll have both this video, notes for the week, and then a packet, okay? There'll also be a quiz for this week as well. I'm going to stop this video here. This was just supposed to be a let's get caught up video, okay? So if you haven't done anything, start with sticker 1, get your stuff done, finish it up, and then work your way on to sticker 3, okay? If you have any questions, guys, please feel free to email me, message me on here, Schoology, text me, call me. If you're really struggling, we can set up a video chat where it's just me and you. I'm cool with that. All right, guys, I hope you have a good week. Peace.